Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass Machine Learning R22 Easy Method. Focus on core algorithms, practical coding, and timed mock exams to build confidence and clarity. Start by mapping the syllabus, then schedule short daily practice sessions that mix theory and hands-on work. Emphasize understanding common pitfalls and model evaluation metrics rather than memorizing formulas. Keep each study block focused and review errors immediately to improve faster. Build a mental checklist of the topics that consistently appear on the exam and study them in order of importance. Break each topic into small tasks. Read a short guide, code a simple example, and test with real data. Use visual aids for concepts like bias versus variance and confusion matrices to make ideas stick. Regularly revisit weak areas and track progress with short quizzes to maintain momentum and confidence. If you're finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your study space to life with clear audio and hands-free control, perfect for playing focus music or asking quick questions while you code. I use it to set timers and play ambient sound during practice. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt a study plan that balances reading, implementation, and evaluation with regular self-testing. Schedule focus sessions of 40 to 60 minutes, followed by short breaks, and include one full mock exam each week. After each practice run, review mistakes, update your error log, and convert weak topics into micro-lessons you can reteach to yourself. This active cycle accelerates learning and builds exam-ready skills without burnout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.